Hello, my pretty ladies. Good morning to you all. Here is another new edition of African dresses on this channel, Xclusive Style. Now, these dresses are dresses that I've decided to compile for you ladies to see. They are the latest dresses as at today. They are the most trendy dresses they have now. Anywhere you go to, any platform, maybe on Pinterest, or probably on Instagram, or probably on YouTube, Xclusive Styling, Xclusive Style. Now, there are lovely dresses that you ladies need to see, need to slay on. There are dresses that you need to get for yourself. So if there's any of these dresses that you love, you can just kindly do the way you usually do it by screenshotting it, give it to your fashion designers, let them make these dresses for you, because they are dresses that you can slay for this week and also for the weekend. You can also add them to your wardrobe. They are dresses that will make you look beautiful and make you look stand out anywhere you find yourself. So my ladies, all for good, just for you to look super stylish and lovely and beautiful. So get these dresses for yourself. Give it to your fashion designers. Let them make the dresses for you. I'll see you towards the end of the video. Thank you very much. I love you. Bye.
Small. I say I want to be a big girl. Oh. Now I'm growing old. I wanna know how to be in love with you. Doesn't matter where you're from. It should be love, no get conditional. When I see your face, every time my heart keeps racing. Oh, yeah, we're all what's a song. This love could have burn like fire. Oh, I should. Together, I go stay with you, Ziti Dala. I can do me, Ziti Dala. I go stay with you, Ziti Dala. I can do me, Ziti Dala. For real, and I know that you see that in me. Take a look at this family tree. My gem memorial. Take me with you anywhere you go. When the night down you roll, hold me tight and don't let me go. Even when you can control, control. I go stay with you, Ziti Dala. I can do me, Ziti Dala.
Now, as you continue to watch the video, you can kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell for all updated videos. Thank you.
I'll show you. I go stay with you, Titi Dala. Back where do me, Titi Dala. I go stay with you, Titi Dala. Back where do me, Titi Dala. For real, and I know that you see that in me. Take a look at this family tree. Bobo alalo my gem memorial. Take me with you anywhere you go. When the night down you roll. Hold me tight and don't let me go. Even when you can control. Control. I go stay with you, Titi Dala. I can do me, Titi Dala.
Yes, my ladies, as I continue in this series of African dresses for you. Yes, these dresses are lovely dresses, like I said, that you need to slay on, and they are pretty dresses. So, yes, some of these dresses I'm going to be advertising here on Xclusive Style, and these dresses are made by some fashionistas, some fashion designers that are very good in making these dresses. So what I just want you to do is hear me out. There are some of them that you don't need to even make dresses. You can just contact me. I can link you to any of the fashionistas that have these dresses. So if we don't have any of these dresses made by fashionistas, you can get them yourself. Just get the prints in the market. You get, then make the dress for yourself. Some of these prints are lovely prints. African prints, Ankara print. They are lovely prints that you can use to make your own or design your own style. So we have so many styles out there. Check your catalog and the rest. Most especially on YouTube channel, especially this channel, Xclusive Style. Okay, so what I just want you to do is just get any of these designs for yourself and slay them. I love you.
To subscribe and also click on this particular picture button to check more on our website. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Beats magic.